welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to stitch tulip pants. For this you will need 2 half circles of the fabric and almost 4.5 meters of fabric you will be needed. How to take measurements and cut the fabric I'll show you on paper. I have glued 2 papers together to make you all understand. The total length of the fabric which I have taken I shown here. Total length of your pant plus 6 inches. I'll add 6 inches to the total length of the pant because when you are wearing this type of pants, it shortens the length of the pants. That's why I have increased the length by 6 inches. Then total length plus 6 inches minus waist belt. Whatever width of the waist belt you have used minus this width here. Then multiply it by 4. My total length is 37 inches and plus 6 inches for the length extension and minus 6 inches for the waist belt. I am taking 6 inches for the waist belt, that's why I minus 6 inches and multiply by 4. So 37 into 4 is equal to 148 inches. So if you are making your pants with the 37 inches of length, so your fabric in the length is 148 inches. Must be 148 inches of length of the fabric you have to take. Then width of the fabric must be total length plus 6 inches of the length extension minus waist belt. That is, my total length is 37 plus 6 inches and minus 6 inches for the waist belt is equal to 37 inches. So width of the fabric is 37 inches. Now fold your fabric like this and again fold your fabric like this. Now you have 4 folded sides here and 2 open and 2 closed sides here. And now mark your measurements. Total length, that is in my case 37 inches. Mark 37 inches from here to here and here to here and all around the paper and fabric also. Then for the crotch, this curvy sides, I have marked my crotch measurements. Horizontal line must be 2 inches. I have taken 2 inches here to here, and for the vertical line of the crotch I have taken 1/3 of my hip measurements minus waist belt. 1/3 of my hip measurements is 14 inches and 6 inches of the waist belt I'll reduced here since I'm attaching waist belt here. So I'll less these inches from the crotch length. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8 inches. So I'll take this line at 8 inches. Now cut your fabric from the crotch and then the length of the pants. After cutting, you will get these 2 half circles. This is the crotch. Now I will show you how to fold it. First, fold it like this way. Then fold it like this and fold it like this. Then for this you have to fold in this way, this side. Hold it like this. Now I will show you how to take measurements and cut the fabric. I have marked my measurements on fabric as I shown on the paper. These are the four folded sides. These are the four folded sides, and these are two open and two closed sides here. And my length is 37 inches. So I'll take 37 inches from here to here and all over 37 inches like this. Then for the crotch, I have taken 2 inches here to here and 8 inches here to here. 2 inches, 8 inches. And then for the belt, I have taken the length of the belt, that is full round of my hip plus 4 to 5 inches, and the width, since I am taking 1.5 inch of elastic and using 1.5 inch of elastic, so I add 3 inches to the waist belt. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So width of the belt is 9 inches and length is full round of hip plus 4 to 5 inches. Then cut your fabric from the crotch and then here. After cutting, I will show you how it looks. I have cut my 2 half circles. After cutting, these are looking like this, and I have attached a lace to the straight grain of the fabric. Now wrap the pants as I shown on the paper. I'll show you how to wrap the circles. Now how to wrap your circles, I'll show you. First, wrap it like this, fold it like this way, then starting from this way, and then like this. The next one. This is the wrong side. Then second one is fold this way and then like this. Like this, you have fold your half circles. Now stitch over the crotch lines. Take 2 folds of this circle and 2 folds of this circle. Make a stitch line on these two from till here, and then for the front side take only these 2 pieces. Make a stitch line to the crotch, and after stitching the crotch, prepare your waist belt. Make a stitch line here and here to close the waist belt, and then fold it half inch like this, and I have used I'm using 1.5 inch of elastic, then 1.5 inch fold like this way and give it a stitch all around the waist belt and leave a 2 inch of space for inserting the elastic. After doing waist belt and crotch area, I'll show you. I have done with the crotch area and the waist belt. Then now divide your pant into 4 parts. First, the front, and this is the back. These are 2 divisions of the pant, and then make a notch on this corner and on this corner. By this way, we have got pleat here, here and back side of the pant, and also similarly notch the waist belt. It's also divided into 4 parts: front, back, side notch here and here. For 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 notches here. Then turn your pant to the wrong side. I have turned my pant to the wrong side. This is the wrong side of the pant, and this is front side of the pant. Then take your waist belt. This is the right pretty side of the waist belt. Then place your waist belt under your pant. This is the front side of the belt, and this is the front side of the pant. Join these like this and pin it like this. I have pinned the front side of the pant and belt like this. And now make pleats till the first notch of the waist belt. That is the area where we have pleated. And this much of the fabric we have to make pleats till this notch of the pant. This much fabric we will pleat it here. I'll show you how to pleat. Take these 2 pieces of the pant, fold it like this. I am making 1/2 inches of pleats. Pin your pleat together the waist belt like this. This is first pleat, then make second. I am making pleats towards the crotch. Front first pleats are done with till this notch. I have pleated 8 pleats. Then for this side, you have to take this much of fabric of the band till this notch, pleated this much of fabric till here, till this much of the waist band, facing towards the crotch as I made this side. I have done with the pleats. The front side of pleats I have completed. These are the front pleats facing to the crotch area. As I made these pleats, you have to make the back side of the pleats as same as that. These pleats facing to the crotch line. As similar to this, you will make the back side pleats also, and then make a stitch line all around the waist to gather the pleats. Then after stitching, I will show you how my pants looks.